Good morning and happy Monday. It is about 12:30 right now. I was up until, I want to say it was like 5 or so, that I uploaded the vlog and set it to go live at 7. By the time I was done the video, I decided to just stay up since Eric's alarm was going to go off soon and I didn't want to wake him up too early. So when he got up, I started moving around the house a little more. Had something to eat, and then I came to bed when he left because I didn't want to fall asleep and then have him come wake me up to say goodbye. So with that being said, I did not have therapy this week. She's on vacation, rightfully so, for the holiday. Not too much on the agenda for today, honestly. I've been thinking, and I think I want to do Vlogmas. I have enough stuff to do around the house that I could find something to do every day. And I've been having so much fun with this. And I'm itching to edit every day. So I think this might be a shorter vlog. Wednesday or Thursday, I think, is the 30th. So, So that'll be fun. I hope you guys come on that adventure with me. I just got off the phone with Eric, just giving him a little update, and he said because I've been so productive that I should go get myself some lunch. So Bubba and I think we're gonna get up, get dressed, and we're gonna go get Chipotle because apparently that's the only thing I eat now. Alright, so I just got in the car and realized I have no gas. I don't know how the car turned on. So we're gonna go get gas, and while we're getting gas, we'll order Chipotle, and then we'll go get the Chipotle by the time we're done getting gas. Right? Right. Bowser and I just got back. I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat, watch some YouTube videos. The woman at the gas station, I guess she did not appreciate my outfit, but she was very confused because it is pretty cold outside. I was wearing a sweater, but I told her I was just getting Chipotle. Oh, he's a cute puppy. Where's my little puppies? Hi. Bubba and I just woke up from a nap. Well, we've been up. We've just been being really lazy. I gotta take a shower, have something to eat. What a bummy day. But I work tomorrow, bright and early. Yay. I also finally just figured out the setting so that I could mirror this so I can get used, or not have it mirrored so I can get used to it when I get a camera, because it will happen. It will happen. So I'm about to hop in the shower, and then I just realized I have some laundry to do, so I'll take care of that after. Good morning. It is Tuesday. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's Tuesday. And I'm headed to work bright and early. It's about 6:45, and I'm definitely stopping for coffee. I'm really tired. I had heartburn. I've been up since like 3:30, 4 o'clock, tossing and turning with heartburn. So, not fun. But yeah, I'm working most of today. I don't know what I'm doing when I get home. I know I have some laundry to put away and stuff, but yeah. So stay tuned. Good morning. I'm gonna do a small French vanilla with almond milk. Please. Thank Thank you. You too. I totally meant to get an iced coffee. I don't think I said it. I don't blame the guy at all. It's 26 degrees out. So who would want an iced coffee this morning? 'Cause I'm a psycho and I wanted to start drinking it now. This morning. Let's see how much water I drink today. Just got to the park. It's so cold. She's one lucky kid. I don't think I'd do this for most children. Well, we got to the park and she changed her mind. It was too cold, so we're going back. Alright, so I just put her down for a nap. She normally doesn't sleep this early, but I don't think she's feeling well, so she's napping, and honestly, I may lay down for a few too. I'm almost home from work. Wanted to check in. Honestly, haven't really drank as much water as I would hope so, but it's only 4 o'clock. I have plenty of time. All right, I'm home. I'm honestly really tired, so I think I'm gonna lay down for a few. I know, so entertaining, right? Baby's tired too. You sleepy puppy? Morning. It's really cold, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with the blowers on. Just wanted to say good morning. It is Wednesday, 30th. I'm headed to work, and I'm gonna edit some of this video at work today. And Vlogmas starts tomorrow, so that's really exciting and I can't wait. So stay tuned. Alright guys, this week I didn't want to forget to film an outro, so thanks for watching. I'm uploading early this week because I'm starting Vlogmas tomorrow. I'm pretty stoked for that. So keep an eye out. I'm hoping to be posting every day for the next 25 days. Wish me luck.